Hi, today I'm with Tecno Spark 10 and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So hold for a while the application and drag this up to another one, and by this way we just successfully created the new home screen folder. If you wanna add here more applications to the folder, just tap to this plus icon and select the applications which you wanna add, then just tap to OK and that's it. Also, we could just hold for a while home screen with our finger, select the applications. Let's just select them, and we could just hold after that the apps and drag them to our folder to add them. If you wanna just give a name or rename the folder, just tap on the name once and enter the apps. For example, to move folder here on the screen or between the screen, we should just hold it and drag it. To remove the application from here, we should just hold the application and drag it to the home screen. Also, you could click to this plus icon and unselect the the applications. And if you wanna just disband the folder, just tap to disband and you will stay with these applications on your home screen. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.